LOGITech Bluetooth mouse. And left click is error. And this central click is okay, and the right click it is okay, but the left click is usually work or always works, and it burn the contacts. This is the contact at the bottom, and metal plate. I just clean it at moment before clean it is get burned, like bad smoke, or like charcoal, or it's become black. And now I already clean it, be shiny. This all kind I will put it in the same place and use some glue to cover it, or to stick it, the cover stick for this cover for all around. Now the circle plate, or a metal circle plate, is get into in order. Okay. Before I put everything back, I need to test. Before I put everything back and fix some glue, I need to test this mouse for the left click. This one is coarser, and I test it for you. At the right click it is okay, and now we put the left click. Yes, really good work. Work good. So now I test it again. Right click and refresh by using left click. Like so, and test one more. Right click and then move my cursor on refresh and just test at the left click. It is work good. It's work good right now. Please don't forget to subscribe me and follow my channel. Then everything I put some glue on the left on the cover of each hole with some glue and put everything back to its body.